Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Myth debunked. Have you ever been told that cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis? Let's crack open the truth. The loud pop you hear isn't your bones rubbing together. It's gas bubbles collapsing in the fluid around your joints. So, does this habit lead to arthritis? Science says no. Studies have shown that habitual knuckle crackers don't have a higher risk of arthritis than anyone else. In fact, Dr. Donald Unger spent 60 years cracking only one hand to test this. And guess what? No difference. So while it might annoy the people around you, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Now you can crack your knuckles guilt-free. Share this video with someone who needs to hear the truth. And don't forget to hit that like button for more myth-busting content.